want to get the vaccine. Our reporter Karina Gary has the story.
Governor Cuomo announced Wednesday that the federal government has agreed not to collect undocumented identification as part of the federal vaccination program. The Center for Disease Control will not be collecting any data that could identify the immigration status of any individual. So why are so many still hesitant to take the vaccine?
A lot of refugee and immigrant populations can be a little untrusting of the government because of their experiences historically.
Historically speaking, many immigrants and people of color have been used for decades as public health experiments, most notably the Tuskegee syphilis study, where in the 1970s it was revealed that for 4 decades the U.S. Public Health Service and the Center for Disease Control had been conducting an experiment on African American men to study how syphilis affected African American populations. The 600 sharecroppers in the study were deceived and told they were receiving free health care from the federal government. Instead, they received placebos and ineffective methods even when penicillin was discovered as a safe and reliable cure for syphilis. But the Tuskegee study is just one of many experiments by the government done on immigrants and people of color. These studies have led to a giant mistrust in the medical field and the government, even when it's in their best interest.
Decades and decades ago, doing, experiments on folks that had no idea that these things were happening. So there's a lot of stuff to unpack here. But, we're going to work really hard to share the message that I believe that this vaccine is safe, it is effective, and we need to take it for all of us.
The very people who are the most hesitant about taking the vaccine are the same people that are the most impacted by COVID.
These communities, many of them have been hit disproportionately hard by this virus. We're seeing larger numbers of cases there, complications, deaths. So it's really important to me that we help these communities understand that I think this is the best course for them to be safe, as well as all of the rest of us.
Reporting from Utica, I'm Karina Gary, Eyewitness News.
Earlier today, Utica Mayor Robert Palmieri announced that he has